Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 4, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you have to select preferred language, Sprache auswählen. So let's speak English. Then tap start. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have it on you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network around you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you have to agree with terms and conditions and yes. Then you tap next. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you can name your device somehow. Okay, so could be then you have these Google services. You don't have to enable them all. I suggest you to disable these switchers and tap next. Then you can log into your Samsung account if you have one. You can create account, but if you just don't really care about it, you can just skip this step and don't do this at all. Here you can change device name, you can enable easy mode here, and yeah, device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.